Most men believe that turning a girl on is all about touching her in the right places. Bro, but that couldn't be further from the truth, man. Because with women, the real key lies in what you do before any sort of physical touch even happens. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to turn a girl on that you don't know, that you just met, or even a girl that you've already known, all without even touching. Start with segment 1. This is the public zone. This is the first zone you're gonna enter when you encounter a girl in the public zone. At this stage, you don't know her yet, but you're close enough that whatever you do, whatever action you have can either turn her on or turn her off. So here are 2 things you need to focus on. First, you will finish each sentence with a downward inflection. You need to talk down to women, never up. A confident, clear voice will command respect from those around you, but more importantly, it will make women find you more attractive and turn them on. I want you to picture this. You're at a coffee shop. You notice a cute girl with her friends, or maybe she's working on her laptop. You walk up to the barista. You're gonna order your coffee, but you say it like this. Can I have a coffee, please? The barista then asks you what kind of coffee, what type of size, what is your name? And with each question, you respond with the soft, hesitant voice, ending each sentence on a high note. You're doing this because you're afraid no woman is gonna be around you. Hear this in the public space and think, wow, that was hot. Now, imagine instead you confidently say, hey, just a medium iced black Americano for Jose. Thanks. Do you notice the difference? By being direct, authoritative, knowing what you want, and then ending on a downward inflection, I come across as more confident and dominant, qualities that women find attractive and turn them on, even if you don't know her. Now, to practice speaking on a downward inflection, you could do this every single day. Just practice 3 to 5 minutes by reading sentences from a book. You're gonna pause at every few words and intentionally drop your pitch at each pause, almost as if you're ending a sentence. Use this approach not only with strangers, but also with women you kind of know or know very well. However, this is just one piece of the puzzle, because to truly turn a woman on, you're gonna need to pair it with the other 5 techniques I'm gonna show you in this video. The second thing you'll do is start dressing like a woman. All right, stick with me here. But to turn a girl on, you need to start dressing like one. I promise, bro, stick with me here, man. Let me explain. Most men's fashion choices are low quality or boring. So pay attention to what women wear and use it as inspiration for how you build your outfits. Take this picture from Madison Beer, for example. She's wearing a black shirt, regular light jeans, and white sneakers. Inspired by her look, you can put together a similar outfit. Light wash jeans, white sneakers, and just a simple black t-shirt from H&M. I think the t-shirt cost me like 20 bucks. By looking at women's fashion choices around you, you can elevate your own outfits. And as a matter of fact, you can buy better brands. For example, that black tee from H&M that was 20 bucks, I'm gonna replace it for an Essentials tee because I create the best t-shirts in the world. And our Essentials bamboo tees are only 16 bucks. As a matter of fact, for the first time ever, we're selling 3 packs at $50, which makes each t-shirt only $16. And they're the best t-shirts in the world. Just look at that fabric. Bro, when you put together a fit like this, of course you're gonna look stylish. You look good, bro. Now look at this look. This one's inspired by Emma Chamberlain. Black boots, faded blue jeans, and then a green sweater. I grabbed my boots, reused the same faded light jeans, and then picked up a green sweater. The result? Another stylish outfit that looks great and it looks put together, all because you're taking inspiration from women. Now you could do the same with this picture by Karina Kampf. She's also wearing just a black shirt, but she paired it with white pants instead of faded denim. When you recreate the look, well, whether it's sweatpants or white dress pants, it looks great. And if you have a good t-shirt, like our Essentials t-shirt, this is the beauty of it. When you have a good t-shirt that fits right, you can wear it in multiple outfits and it always just elevates how you look, because our t-shirts fit perfectly around the bicep to make your arms look bigger. They fit perfectly on the chest to make it look snug, and you have enough room in the midsection so you're hiding anything you don't want others to see. And because it's a bamboo fabric, it feels better than any cotton fabric you've ever felt, and it's naturally antibacterial, which means you won't stink all day because the fabric naturally neutralizes any bad odors. Yo, we've sold over 300,000 of our Essentials tees because they're the best t-shirts in the world. And I want you to have one of these 3 packs. As a matter of fact, we've already pre-sold over 10,000 of these t-shirts, which means there's not a lot left. These are gonna sell out fast. And if I were you, I'd click the link down below and pick up my 3 packs now. We're starting to ship them out once these are sold out. Bro, they take months to restock. This fabric's not easy to do, especially at the price point we got it at. You'll never see better t-shirts for $16. That's a guarantee. If you guys want to check out Essentials, it'll be linked down below. Now let's move on to segment 2, the social zone. Once you've already met a girl, you know her name, you're gonna enter something that I call the social zone. In this zone, you're not yet friends, but you know each other. So here are 2 things you can do to turn her on when you're in this space. 1, make her want to get to know you with resource provisioning. If you wear Gucci, you'll turn women off. Luxury brands like Gucci, they don't sell to the rich. They sell to the people that want to look rich. Women know this. So when they see a guy wearing Gucci, they can get immediately turned off due to something called resource provisioning. This is when a woman analyzes you, not just to see if you have money, but also if you're good with money, ultimately determining if you're capable of supporting her and her family financially. So to keep it simple and fix your style choices, here is a tier list of all the shirts ranked from the worst shirts to the best shirts so you can look better. All right, we gotta get rid of all the D tier. So at the D tier, we have anything luxury that's heavily branded. Gucci goes down here. We're gonna move Louis Vuitton down here. We're gonna throw in Prada down here. I'm gonna throw in Coach. You know what? Even Balenciaga goes in there. Next, we have C tier. I'm gonna put any shirt with a band logo. Honestly, these can all go into the C tier most of the time. Guys don't even listen to the music of the band that they're repping on their t-shirt. Next, we have B tier. Now, this could be anything that's brightly colored. Now, they're B tier because these can be okay. If you know how to style colors, this is great. But for the most part, for guys, more neutral or darker colors will always make you look better, which moves us exactly into A tier. These are the darker colored, the long sleeve shirts, like from H&M, from Zara, the button downs, bro. These are A tier. Every guy should have this in their wardrobe. Also in A tier, I'll put polo shirts up there. Polo shirts should be in every man's wardrobe. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna throw in sweaters and knitwear up into A tier. And all of this you can get from Zara, H&M, or Uniqlo. 10 out of 10. Every guy should wear these. Finally, we have S tier. There are only two shirts that belong in the S tier category: a black t-shirt and a white fitted button down. If a man has these two shirts, you're good for any situation. You will look good anywhere. Now, unfortunately, I don't design the best dress shirts in the world. I haven't gotten to that yet. But if you need the best t-shirts in the world, you need a good black t-shirt, you should check out our bamboo cotton tees, bro. Because if you want the S tier of all black tees, it's essentials. There's a reason why we always sell out. And as a matter of fact, we're probably gonna sell out these even faster because at the price we have them. We've never offered these at $16, bro. You're getting a pack of 3 t-shirts for 50 bucks. That's absolutely ludicrous for the quality, the fit, and the design of these tees. If I were you, I would run to that description, click that link, and get your packs, because this will fly. Second, you will triple your charisma instantly with the 3SP rule. Here's a little hack that I use to instantly appear more charismatic and attractive to any girl you want to talk to. I want you to imagine you're speaking to a girl that you kind of know from work or school. You ask her for her opinion on something, maybe in class or a colleague, and then she asks you what you think in return. Here's where most men go wrong. When a girl asks you a question, they answer right away, which makes you look needy, and then you end up stumbling around your words, bro. You fumbled the bag. You could have easily avoided this if you listened to your bro and implemented the 3SP rule. To use the 3SP rule that I created, you're gonna listen to her question, look directly into her eyes, and then pause for 3 seconds. And now you respond. By doing this, you're gonna convey a quiet sense of confidence and also increase anticipation from her as to what you're gonna say, both of which turning her on top of the fact that now you can actually think what you're gonna say and not stumble on your words. But this takes us to segment 3, the personal zone. The personal zone is when you already know a girl well or you're maybe friends. It is here where what you do really matters, as this can open the door to intimate zone, where we all want to be, or lock you out forever into the friend zone. First, you're gonna use gaze coupling to make her obsessed. We all know good eye contact is important, but here are the 5 things you probably didn't know about how to maintain good eye contact. First, you start by making small attempts at looking at a girl. 2, you will then hold the eye contact. See, most guys can look at a girl, but the second that the girl looks their way, they immediately look away out of fear. This makes you look weak. Instead, I want you to hold that eye contact when she looks your way for at least 1 to 2 seconds and then slowly look away. 3, you will start coupling your gaze with her. So, when she looks your way, you're gonna hold the eye contact. When she looks away, you will also look away. When she starts looking back at you and you feel it, you look back her way. This is called eye contact coupling. 4, now you're gonna get responsive with your eyes. If the tone of the conversation is serious, I want you to squint your eyes a bit. If it's a happy tone, I want you to open them wider while you nod your head. Finally, if you can't hold eye contact for more than 3 seconds, try to look in between her eyebrows, as it's more comfortable to do so. Look, you use one of these eye contact tips, you're gonna make her interested. You use all 5, you're gonna turn any girl on. Number 2, use suggestive language to enter the intimate space. How you say something is more important than what you say to a girl when it comes to turning her on. So, here's what you're probably saying all the time to girls and what you should change it to and say instead. When you're complimenting a girl, you're probably saying, I like your style. But instead, you should say something like, there is something unique about your style but I can't quite figure it out. This is known as suggestive language, and it makes a girl open up more as she sees you as more mysterious. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna give you 4 more examples, and I want you to screenshot these so the next time you're texting a girl or talking to a girl, use one of these and watch them work in real time. Instead of saying, you look great, you could say, you look different today. I'm not sure what it is, but you look good. Instead of saying, you're smart, you could say, you have a different way of looking at things. I like it. Instead of saying, you're funny, you could say, you know, for a girl, you got a pretty good sense of humor. Instead of saying, let's hang out, you could say something like, I'm gonna take you out sometime and you're never gonna forget it. Use these tips and harness the power of suggestive language. Bro, you're gonna be unstoppable, turning any girl on.